Hi, I'm Paul Oster, founder and president of Better Qualified LLC. We are credit experts. I'd like to talk to you today about your credit. You may recognize me. Recently, I've been featured on most of the major networks, ABC, CBS, NBC, and I'm a regular guest on Fox Business News. Better Qualified has been in business since 2006. We've built a staff of dedicated people that have been helping folks improve their credit scores. They care about you and they care about your credit. Let me take you through our process. We offer a free credit consultation and credit analysis. This is the most important part of what we do for folks. This is where we're going to identify exactly how we can help you improve your credit scores.
Your first step towards building better credit is to call the credit experts at Better Qualified. Our credit advisors will go over your credit report with you and determine the best course of action. Our account managers will dispute all of your derogatory items with the 3 credit reporting agencies. Better Qualified has been successful in removing public records, judgments, charge-offs, collections, and even late payments. After your credit goals are attained, Better Qualified will continue to advise you towards a better credit score.
Now here's the most important part. You have to take the next step. Contact us at betterqualified.com, email us at credit@betterqualified.com, or you can give us a call at 888-533-8138. Again, I'm Paul Oster, the nation's credit repairman, and I look forward to helping you.